So how do you check your iPad model inside of the settings? So let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So we need to get inside of the settings app as usual, and let's say that I'm in the general section where most of the stuff is gonna be about this. So in here, in the general, you need to click on the about section and at the top, and you can browse some information about your iPad in here. So as you can see, we have the name, iPad OS version, model number, model name, and serial number. So these are the things that you are interested in. Depends on what you're trying to look up, but most likely you just want to see this thing, which is the model name, and it's the iPad Pro 11-inch third generation. So that's something which you can obviously hold down on and copy, and you can look it up inside of the Safari browser and get some more information about your iPad. So again, it's the iPad Pro 11-inch third generation. So you can look it up. This is exactly where you can find it. You can see we can buy it used. We can check out some specs on the official Apple website, and yeah, it's actually very useful because based on this we know specifically which model we have, so we can know more stuff about it. But also in the settings, general, and about, we also have things like the model name. So if you want to be a little bit more specific, right? So that was the model name, but also the model number. You can see this kind of like longer one, but when you click on it, it switches to the short one, which says A2377. And if I copy that, I also have the ability to check out some information about it. So, you know, it's pretty much the same thing. When I look up A2377 into the Google, you know, it's also going to show me the same iPad, which I currently have. So that's yet another way to kind of like browse and find the iPad which you're currently using. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Let me know if you managed to check your iPad model in the settings. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later.